and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, here to navigate you through the latest community achievements and cutting-edge tech insights. So with that, let's dive in. Our Discord is now boasting 3,632 members. This is your invitation to join a group of enthusiastic individuals who are keen on discussing and shaping the future of technology. On the social media front, we dove into the fascinating world of NFTs. Our latest IPFS 101 video breaks down how these unique digital tokens are transforming concepts of ownership and authenticity online. It's a must-watch video if you would like to know the concepts of NFTs, so go check out our IPFS 101 series after this video. For Powered by Pinata, this week we are shining a light on Guardianlink. Guardianlink is not just another company, it's a pioneer offering a robust tech infrastructure for the burgeoning digital collectible ecosystem. With services ranging from a no-code NFT marketplace to secure Web3 wallets and innovative NFT project launch tools, Guardianlink is at the forefront of making NFT commerce accessible, secure, and seamless. Their omni-blockchain legitimacy protocols are reshaping how NFTs can be traded across diverse blockchain infrastructures, setting new standards in blockchain commerce. Get ready for Froggy, our new in-frame game that promises to be a hopping good time. Help your Froggy friend navigate through traffic safely. Start with 5 lives and see how far you can get, with the option to buy more lives on base. A big round of applause to our team for bringing this beautiful game to life. For today's tips and tricks, we are going to be learning about how to sign in with Warpcast. If you're venturing into the world of Farcaster app development, understanding the authentication process is crucial. Whether you're directly interacting with smart contracts on the Optimism network or using Warpcast as an OAuth client, our latest guide by Justin is here to help. Dive into our blog post to master the art of creating signers and take your Farcaster applications to the next level. And that's it for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. Please note that there will be no episode of Weekly Whimsy next week as I head to our company retreat in Omaha. But in the meantime, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for future videos, and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.